Hi, good morning. For breakfast today we're going to have a Mocha Latte. I'm going to show you some of the colors before I finish mixing them up. Got two different shades of kind of a brown. This one I made out of peach, a little bit of just regular brown, and a little bit of white. When I'm mixing my whites, I use regular paint from a few different brands. Then I also add in some golden high flow white. I also do that with my blacks. And I already have those two mixed up. So we'll go here. What's your favorite breakfast drink? Do you drink coffee? Do you hate coffee? Are you a tea person? I have a tea one planned for the future. It's on my list. But if you have a favorite breakfast meal or drink, let me know down in the comments and I will add that in to the list. That lightened that up quite a bit. Maybe too much. Let's see what this brown comes out like. Grab another stir stick. Of course, ideally when you're mixing paints, you mix them and you let them sit and bubble up. But we need our coffee. So for that, add maybe a little too much Floetrol to my mix here. It's turning kind of a more of a milk chocolate than a dark chocolate. Alright. Add in a little bit of this here. This is the mix I used to put into the peach to begin with. Might be making this a little thin too. It's looking a little peachy. Let's do it this way. I usually mix the colors before I add in the fluid medium, but I want the coffee to be right. There we go. Okay, so let's make our cup of coffee. Do some black coffee. Here. Nice and foam. You get whipped cream on your coffee mixes? Sometimes I do. Usually I don't. But I don't usually get coffee out anyway, so. I do take a little almond milk in my coffee. And what I'm pouring on today is actually a mirror that I covered with some spray gesso. When I was at the hobby store, they had them on sale. And compared to the price of canvases, they were, for some of the canvases, the mirrors were a little cheaper, and so I got a few of those. They also had, check the clearances. They had some framed prints that were on clearance because they're getting ready for Christmas and everything. And I picked up a few of those because on clearance they were definitely a better price than anything close to the same size in canvas. Now for my base coat, I'm trying something a little new this week. I'm mixing up the white with some regular paint and the high flow paint, but I also added in some Flow Aid from Liquitex. Not quite sure. I'm thinking if the bottom layer kind of moves a little easier, then once you pour on it, the paint will move better on it. But we shall see. I'm just going to do a straight pour for our coffee this morning. Get that off the side. Alright. Okay, so cheers. Got a little coffee left in the end there. After the pour, I just like to let it sit for a minute, let the paint rise and fall as they want, and do their reacting. There's too much paint in the middle to leave it like that or it'll dry cracked. I'm going to take some of the black off. A little bit further as it catches that edge and comes back on. It'll show more what's under the black. Hopefully, that was the idea. I did not put silicone in any of the mixes. Bring the paint kind of back to the middle a little bit. Alright, there you go, one mocha latte to go. Hope y'all have a great day. Change the light a little bit, give you a better look. Alright. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell. That way when I'm fixing some breakfast, you'll know. Thanks, have a great day.